No, you cannot be falling for this. You cannot. You're kidding me, right? You have to be joking. We don't even know these guys, nor do they know you or us in general. They could be making all of this up about this Jesus character.
Yeah, maybe you're right. They could just be making everything up.
Oh, really? Because last time I checked, just a few minutes ago, you didn't know anything about Jesus. But now you can judge on who knows what. Help me, because I'm confused.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. My feet just kind of hurt from running back and forth.
Let me see.
Oh no, I can't.
I insist. Let me massage your feet, please.
I'm so sorry. I really don't have the money to pay for your services.
Well, lucky for you, I have a different payment plan. Just let me tell you about how Jesus was and is a healer and a miracle worker. Right.
Wow. I mean, with those healing hands, it's hard not to believe that you're Jesus.
Oh, no, man. I'm just his servant. But I do as he would do. He told us to. But okay, let me tell you the story about this man that very few people really knew.
God told us in the old text that he would send a messenger before us to make way for the Lord. That messenger turned out to be John the Baptist. John baptized Jesus, and once he did, the sky opened up and God declared that Jesus was his son in whom he was very much pleased, and then the Spirit fell on Jesus like a descending dove. Jesus performed many miracles and healed so many. A man couldn't walk, and after encountering Jesus, he could again. And when others saw Jesus doing these things, they were so thrilled and chose to follow him, while others grew upset by who he claimed to be. The blind, the demonized, the lame, no illness, no disease, or dark force was too much for Jesus' power. Jesus asked others who did they think that he was, and received many different answers, but ultimately he answered with him being the king, but also a servant. He said, "The Son of Man did not come to be served, but to become a servant, and give his life as a ransom to many." Then with 3 of his men, he went to a place where he was transformed, and there standing next to him were Elijah and Moses, and just like before from the heavens, a declaration of love sounded.
Anyways, wait. You literally just say Moses and Elijah? See, that's the type of stuff that I'm talking about. Those guys are literally dead. We're done listening to these false teachers and these false prophets.